Hey guys, how's it going? If you are using Android, here's a step-by-step guide on how to transfer your chats from Android to iPhone. There is two ways that you can do this. You can use the Move to iOS app from your from your Google Play, basically. So go and search for Move to iOS and start the process of moving your chat to moving your information to your iOS, right? Another way of moving WhatsApp chat, because I'm using iOS, you can go ahead and click your WhatsApp and click the settings at the bottom right. Scroll a little bit down until you find your chats. First of all, if you're using Android, you can just go ahead to the chat backup and start backing up your chat, right? Just in case, so you don't miss those important messages, right? This is the first step. The second step is to move the chat. If you're using Android, move chat to iOS, right? Or to iPhone, or you can transfer chats to your new version of Android or iPhone for that matter, right? So if you're using iPhone and you want to transfer to a new iPhone, you could just go ahead and click transfer chat to a new iPhone and then scan the QR code on your new iPhone right here. Transfer your chat history privately and have your most up-to-date messages without using iCloud, right? Certain device permissions are needed to connect your new device, maybe new iOS, so you transfer that as well. Okay, so click the settings again, chat, right? And click. We're gonna focus on move chats to the new device, whether that was iOS or Android. And you're gonna go ahead and click move chat and start the process of moving the chat to your new device, whether that was Android or iPhone. And basically, you're gonna be able to transfer your chat history in media to your new Android or new iPhone phone. You will not be able to transfer later if you skip this step. So make sure that you start moving the chats from one device to another, and then enter, of course, your same phone number on your new device, whether that was Android or iPhone, and then you're going to be able to restore your chats safely. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.